John Riel Casimero, Luis Pantera Neri.
Pinabagsak, sinakal, at hinulog palabas ng ring. Ganyan na lang binastos si Casimero sa pagdayo sa kanilang bansa na pinabayaan lang ng referee, ngunit hindi dito papayag si Cuadro alas na hindi makagante.
Sobra kasi marumi siya maglaro, mag-low-blow, then sisipain niya yung paa mo, tapos hawak.
Nag-aati ka po mga laban, A3 Boxing TV.
May isang laban na naman ang inaabangan ng mga Pinoy. Magbabalik sa gitna ng ring ang isa sa pinaka-controversial at pinaka-mapanganib na mandirigma ng kanyang henerasyon.
Casimero needs to pick his punches and he can't find the clean.
Ang 3-division world champion ng Pilipinas, John Riel Cuadro Alas Casimero. Taglay niya ang record na 35 wins, 24 na knockouts at 5 talo. Isang karerang hinubog sa iba't ibang bansa. Isang boksingerong hindi lamang lumalaban, kundi nagdadala ng tunay na panganib sa bawat kalaban na kanyang kinakaharap.
Oh boy, see that left hook. But make no mistake about it. Oh, down, it's down, it's down, and I think it's out. It's over.
That's it.
Oh, what?
Matapos ang kanyang dominanteng panalo sa Japan, kung saan pinabagsak niya si Tom Mizokoshi sa 5th round, muling nabuhay ang usapan tungkol sa kanyang pagbabalik sa World Championship stage. Sa ilalim ng pamamahala ng Kameda Promotions, malinaw ang direksyon ng kanyang kampo. Target nilang maibalik si Casimero sa World Championship status ngayong 2026. Ngunit bago marating ang entabladong iyon, ay isang napakalaking hamon na kailangang lampasan. Sa April 18, 2026, sa Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, makakatapat ni Casimero ang isang pangalan na kilala sa buong mundo ng boxing. Isang 2-division world champion mula Mexico, Luis Neri. Hindi basta pangalan si Neri. Siya ang unang boksingerong nakapagpabagsak sa tinaguriang monster ng Japan, Naoya Inoue. Bagamat natalo rin sa laban, siya ang unang nagpakita sa mundo na kahit ang halimaw ay maaaring masaktan. Ngunit kung may iniwang marka si Neri laban sa Japan, si Casimero naman ay nag-iwan ng isang bangungot doon. 2 beses niyang ginulantang ang Japanese boxing scene. Bukod sa pagkapanalo niya kay Mizokoshi, isang Mexican knockout artist din ang kanyang pinatulog sa 2nd round. Sa harap mismo ng mga mata ni Naoya Inoue, isang eksenang nagpatahimik sa buong arena. Isang paalala kung gaano kapanganib si Casimero kapag nasa loob na ng ring. At upang mas maunawaan kung gaano kabangis si Casimero sa kanyang pinakamahusay na anyo, balikan natin ang isa sa pinaka-dramatic na laban sa kanyang karera. Ang kanyang paghihiganti laban sa IBF champion ng Thailand, si Amnat Renroeng. Pinabagsak, sinakal, at hinulog palabas ng ring. Ganyan na lang binastos si Casimero sa pagdayo sa kanilang bansa na pinabayaan lang ng referee, ngunit hindi dito papayag si Cuadro alas na hindi makagante.
Sobra kasi marumi siya maglaro, mag-low-blow, then sisipain niya yung paa mo, tapos hawak.
Si Amnat ay isang kakaibang kwento sa boxing. Isang dating convict na nahatulan ng mahabang taon sa kulungan. Doon siya natutong magboxing. Kalaunan ay naging national champion ng Thailand at pinalaya upang kumatawan sa bansa. At sa huli, naging IBF flyweight world champion. Ngunit kilala rin siya sa isang bagay, ang kanyang dirty style sa loob ng ring. Sa kanilang unang laban sa Thailand, maraming kontrobersyal na eksena ang nangyari. May tulakan, may yakapan, may suntok sa likod. At sa isang sandali, nahulog pa si Casimero palabas ng ring. Tahimik ang referee. Halos walang aksyon laban sa ginagawa ng Thai champion. Sa gabing iyon, natalo si Casimero. Ngunit hindi doon nagtapos ang kwento. Tahimik siyang naghintay ng pagkakataon. Halos 1 taon siyang nag-ensayo at nagtiis na walang laban upang mapanatili ang kanyang pagiging mandatory challenger. Isang mahabang paghihintay para lamang makuha ang pagkakataon ng rematch. At dumating ang sandaling iyon sa Beijing, China. Sa pagkakataong ito, handa si Casimero sa anumang mangyari sa loob ng ring. Sa simula ng laban, kumpiyansa si Amnat. Ginagamit pa rin niya ang kanyang kakaibang estilo, yakap, tulak at pagkontrol sa distansya. Ngunit kalmado lamang si Casimero, tahimik na naghihintay ng tamang sandali
fires off a shot and lands in order to do a clinch and to avoid his opponent from getting any forward momentum with their shots, as he does right there.
Yeah, and I tell you, and that Roman likes to work with his jab. I tell you,
Right over the opponent's jab very well, and he'll tend to smother his opponents as soon as he fires off a shot and lands in order to do a clinch and to avoid his opponent from getting any forward momentum with their shots, as he does right.
oh, another good counter right hand. 10 seconds left in round one, and there's the tap on the apron right there. A good body shot.
Good.
Habang tumatagal ang laban, unti-unting nagiging agresibo ang mandirigma mula sa Pilipinas.
Mike Tyson and Roy Jones are ringside because this is a part of the IBF annual convention. So these title fights here are a part of the IBF convention. They had Mike Tyson and Roy Jones there to enjoy the festivities and to basically just be a part of the whole IBF convention that they have every year.
Cool, man. So it's a good event. So these guys here fight for the celebrity notable names on Casemiro records. Who's you got? Casemiro. Who's he for? Apart from that Roman on his record, on his resume.
Casemiro has a couple of good names on there. He has,
Like that. Tony Weeks is the referee. He's from America.
but he eventually gave that up in order to move up their weight since he could no longer make one weight. And he's a little bit upset at this guy coming in here trying to take his belt.
Yeah. Normally he just go boxes and just stays on his back foot and just moves around, but for some reason he wants to stand toe to toe, and that's not really him. You see, look at that, how he's ducking behind. These are little things he does, yeah, like to frustrate his opponent. And that's round two in the book.
Dito sa round 3, gusto nang tapusin ni Casimero ang laban, ayaw na maulit, ayaw na paabutin sa scorecards.
And I'm not up against the ropes, land some good body shots. Very close round though. Because I'm not control the first couple of minutes.
Yeah. And you can go overweight. Now, sir, hear him. He wants to do that. And Roman, beautiful left, right.
Nice left hook.
Punch is fine, but it's them jumping, leaping punches. Casemiro's trying to time him. Look at him, he's trying to time him like that. And he throws him down to the ring underneath the bottom of the ring.
How about for Trump shot?
Yeah. Well, yeah, you know about that kid right there. That's the one right there. Everyone's looking at, bro. that's the danger, man. Everyone's looking at.
Tuloy ang mainit na aksyon, bago makagawa ng kalukuhan si Amnat, uunahan na siya ni Casimero.
Casemiro, you're gonna have to do a bit more than this. There, he's actually picking he's actually picking up the pace. Oh,
Hanggang sa dumating ang sandali ng paghihiganti. Isang malinis na counter left hook ang tumama sa panga ni Amnat. Bumagsak ang Thai champion. Nakabangon siya, ngunit halatang nagulat sa lakas ng suntok.
oh, he looks really hurt, and he's got up. Surprisingly up and all foot up. I can't believe it. That was a devastating. Up. I can't believe it. That was a devastating. And you see as he dumped, and he's got up. Surprisingly up and all foot up. I can't believe it. So devastating. And you see as he dumped in, and the
He
Casemiro
still looks hurt.
read the action now. Read it up, and he's going in for the kill.
Oh man.
And Tony
He's
Weeks.
going in hard right now. I'm not throwing hard back.
He's he caught another
Get it right
right.
off. Oh, big right hand.
And the fight is changed. And the
One hard back.
he caught another
Get it right
right.
off. Oh, big right hand.
And the fight has changed, and he's trying for the biggest and the big 10-8. And look, he's trying to time. And that run serious. I've never seen him hurt like that. I've seen him going down to a Millions Matt Williams Raw, but this one here, he looks really hurt. His legs.
I'm not it's very hurt, but he's throwing back with bad intention.
Yeah.
Nice overhand.
He's trying to trip him, and he's trying to trip him. He's trying to trip him with his leg. I saw that in that row, man.
Yeah.
After him. And the Philippines trying to take out a year of frustration, and he's after him. And the Philippines trying to take out a year of frustration, after what happened in Thailand, and he's taking out net run.
Good right to the body.
Hindi na nagpatumpik-tumpik si Casimero. Sunod-sunod na body shots ang kanyang pinakawalan. Isang malupit na suntok sa katawan ang tumama at muling bumagsak si Amnat. Sa pagkakataong ito, hindi na siya nakabangon. Tahimik ang arena. Halos hindi makapaniwala ang crowd sa kanilang nasaksihan.
And you look like he's gonna get up. He's gonna get up. Now the fight will wait up by 20 weeks. And we have a new IBF flyweight champion.
Flush off the chin. And then finally, the look took to the body. 1, 2, 3, perfectly placed. And managed to catch him. Here's the replay.
Oh, look at
Right,
that.
and the traded hook.
Counter left hook.
I'm not.
At sa gabing iyon, sa gitna ng Beijing, isinilang ang bagong kampeon ng mundo. John Riel Cuadro Alas Casimero ang naging IBF Flyweight World Champion. Ngayon muling haharap si Casimero sa panibagong hamon laban sa Mexican Warrior na si Luis Neri. Ang tanong ngayon ng buong boxing world, may pagkakataon pa bang muling maging world champion si John Riel Casimero? Ibahagi ang inyong opinyon sa comment section. At isama ang inyong lugar, mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao o kahit saan mang panig ng mundo. upang makita natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta ng mga Pilipino sa nalalapit na laban ni Casimero kontra Nery.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.